Alright guys, it is time for the March unboxing. I'm going to turn the light on. No, the cat does not come with the box or the stuff. Being screwed out of a bag of Cheetos, however, did. Got 2 of these molasses. Come on cat, let me have the other one. Yeah. 2 of these. Got a bag of M&Ms. Honestly, I was just trying to fill up the box. Medical gloves. All you gotta do is get the mask. I want to say there's like one more thing I had. I gotta look at my order thing. I feel like it's been a lifetime since Friday morning when I did this ordering. And yeah, they screwed me out of a bag of Cheetos. But honestly, it's like it finally got here, and I don't even care at this point. It might be that I only put one because I got the Cheetos. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, I only got 1 bag of Cheetos because I got the M&Ms. So, getting the cat, and of course, I will give you a look at the dog. Sarge. There he is. Here's a little basket. He likes his little basket. Now, Antonia got a mattress. Now, I've never done this myself. When she gets home, she'll set it out, and then I'll let you know if she likes it or not. Till later, bye. Alright guys, this is the last of my haul from Walmart.com for the month. It's 2 of these. 1 for the shelf, 3 for your SHTF box, and you want to use these. Yeah, I need to get these put away. You want to use these up, because they can last about 6 months in a box. They can go bad, that's a thing. They really can. I will see you guys later.